Welcome to Toca Kitchen. What is this guy looking at? Up there? I guess he's born because he's the orange version. I guess there. Cook it there. What should I put? What about some ketchup and whatever this is? Something in hot sauce. Yeah, hot sauce. Some pepper. Some even more pepper. Some pepper. Some pepper. Some pepper. A lemon. Some lemon. Some hot sauce. And it's done. It's done. It's done. Alright. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's literally done. Okay, but what are you doing? Like, what is this? You want some more hot? Want some more? Definitely ketchup and definitely not hot sauce. More pepper. Just put a little more pepper. Some more. Eat it. Eat it. Nope. I don't care. Woo! Yeah, I know what to cook. I'm cooking this. I'm deep frying. Little pasta. Ketchup, a little hot sauce. No, just but that also. What you just say? It tastes better, yeah, a little bit. Lemon. If you say blood, then I'm gonna kill you. Okay, I'm gonna give you food poisoning again. Yeah, I love giving this dude food poisoning. What is it? What the heck? What in the actual heck is this? Yeah, I'm probably gonna give him food poisoning. This probably gives you food poisoning. Where do I? Yeah, on the pan. We need some more ingredients. Oh man, you can only have one at a time. We need and some hot, and a little bit there, some sprinkles. Yeah, get this pasta. Yep, swap these. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's curry. Yeah, just add this. That looks enough. But this! Nobody cares! Another one! Eat this! Eat this also! I think I just gave him food poisoning. Okay. Okay, we have sausage. Wait, I have sausage. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut his sausage. Oh. So, yeah, we're cutting his meat. put the... Yeah. Yeah, we'll put these in the pan. Yeah, on the pan! With a little bit of these, a little bit of this to sprinkle. Use your bold hot sauce. Bold hot sauce. Oh my god, I think I'm Gordon Ramsay. Oh, I guess he died. No!